Wow, guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is going to be a big trade. We're going to talk about that today because you know what? The Bollinger Bands on the daily on the Bitcoin are contracting. Same with Ethereum. Same with on the weekly for Bitcoin. We're going to talk about what that means, what that's going to happen, what's going to happen in the next little while in today's episode. So make sure you stay for the whole show. It's going to be amazing pieces of information that you need to know because Bitcoin and Ethereum are about to make some major moves. We're going to show you how to trade these major moves in the next in today's video. So make sure you stick around. Okay, so if you're interested in trading, make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com. That's bybit.davincij15.com. Its links are in the description, right? You could easily get there, right? It's an easy trip to set up an account at Bybit. It only takes a few seconds, and right, you really help out this channel. And here you go. I'll show you exactly how to get there because it's really simple. It's really simple to help out, right? It's bybit.davincij15.com once again. All right, let's get into the trades. Right, for today. As you can see, I was telling you, right, this is not to be trading a short down here, and look where you would have been like underwater here majorly if you know during that last breakout, right, pump, you decided to you know, take a short here as it was coming down. No, that's a dangerous thing to do. You can see that we are kind of reversing here. If we look at the 15 minutes, it looks like a reversal is imminent on this. But looking at the long term, the weekly, it looks like we might get a little bit more chop before we get a breakout with Bitcoin and Ethereum because this thing is finally tightening here. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but if it does, that's actually a positive thing. It's gonna, if it chops around a little bit longer, that means on a weekly scale, that means the chances of breaking down will reduce significantly. So that would be a positive thing for the bulls. If you're a bull in this market, unfortunately, you cannot be a bull here. You cannot say, oh, well, you know, Da Vinci, this changes things, right? We got like a little bit of W right here. You can see the W. Let me just bring it down on the 4 hours because you'll probably see better. Yeah, you got a little bit of a W here. Let me draw it out since it's not 100% clear. Right here. And if it breaks higher, whoops, the W is clear. So let's undo that, Control Z. So once we break out, that's clear that, hey, we're gonna go a lot higher. So I'm gonna get my drawing tools for resistance and support back. Hang on, I'm just have to undo until I get there we go. So now we can see if we break higher above the 19,940 level, that indicates that we could see possibly Bitcoin continue to break higher because we can create another W here, right, and go a lot higher. So that's a possibility, but keep in mind what we always say, the trend is your friend until the end. So we have to stick with the trend, and the trend is we're going down. That's lower lows and lower highs. Right? We don't see any higher highs and higher lows with Bitcoin as of this moment. Yes, you could say, well, there are some higher lows, higher lows, but we need the higher highs as well in order to really sink our teeth into it. And that's not showing up. Okay, before I get onto Ethereum, remember, right? People are getting their rewards. Thank you very much. I hope you're enjoying your rewards. Remember, on the 20th, which is a couple days away, if you have a Davitar, which allows you a 20-minute call with me, right? you'll be able to, set up that 20-minute call on the 20th, right? I don't see any delays with that so far, but if there are, we will keep you informed. Yes, so we are setting that up, and yes, you will be getting a 20-minute call as a Davitar owner with that particular reward. Okay, I'm going to the financial summit, but you know what? Tonevase has given me an extra room to give away to some of my fans. If you're interested in getting that extra room, comment in the comment section below. If you can come down to Bali, and you have to have a flight there. We won't include the flight, but if you are in Bali and we want to participate in this event, and comment in the comment section below, and let me know if you're interested, and we will try to get back to you, right? And see if you are going to be a winner to join us for free at the Financial Summit. All right. Also, I'm going to be at the AIBC, right? Make sure that you check that out. And if you're there in Malta, I'd like to see you as well. We can take some pictures, and we'll have a lot of fun. Okay, going to Ethereum. Again, same thing. If we break higher, if we break above the 1382 level, you can see that we could possibly, I think it might be a little bit higher than that, because is that no, that's not a wick. Okay, good. It looked like there was a wick there, but the $1,382 level, that's a break. That's a break above that. A break above that means this has changed. We're going higher. We've broken the trend a little bit, and now we could be going a lot higher. We could head up all the way up to the $1,700 level, the $1,700, and kiss the 200 daily moving average over a few weeks. So that's a possibility that's coming with Ethereum. But we could also come and start to break down. So keep that in mind. And the odds are of us breaking down is slightly higher than it is breaking up, of course. So keep that in mind. Let me just head over to the dominance. The dominance is breaking higher, and we are creating some sort of like wedge pattern here. You can see that could end up breaking this thing meaning that the alts are about to get wiped out and destroyed completely. Bitcoin is going to dominate for a little while, as you can see. Oops, a little bit of a delay there. There we go. There. As you can see, this thing is coming to a head, and it could break higher, but most likely go higher. But if it does break down, it'll come all the way back to this level, which is the 40% level almost. And we could probably take us all the way up to the 44 percentage level. And so this will destroy all the alts in the next coming days. But that's all right. That gives you a shopping opportunity for the little old lady. The little old lady goes shopping around November for alts. So hey, that would be a great time for picking up some alts, which I will be doing in the next little while if we see this thing go a lot higher. So because that's the indication that, hey, you know what, it's shopping season, man. It's shopping. You buy when things are low, right? When things are on sale, and that's what I like. I want to see alts go on sale heavily. One of my favorite alts that we should see, you could even start buying right now, is Solana. I mean, it's not my favorite alt, but looking at the charts, it's beautiful. There's a tip right there. Not saying that it's going to explode next week or next month, but it will do well eventually in the bull market. So make sure that you have some Solana at these low prices. So yeah, that's how you do it. You buy low and you sell high. Buy high and sell low. But that's what most people do because they don't understand the market. They're afraid. They see prices go down and they sell in fear and panic. Don't do that, because that will actually make you lose. money. So if you're holding a bag of Solana, you have to hold it until it starts going higher again. All right. With that said, thank you for watching. Right, I'm going to probably do a private video for my subscribers. So if you are a subscriber, if you do have a Davitar with the access to my subscription, you should definitely use that, because you're going to be seeing some private videos only for the subscribers that about the little lady and what to buy in the next little while. All right, thanks for watching, and remember, Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it.